Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA square root formula and display the value in a message box. So first of all I'm going to record a macro and I'm going to name my macro SQR for square root underscore fx, and then I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to stop the macro from running and I'm going to go to the macro section of the view tab, view my macro and edit it. And here you can see the apostrophes in green. This is what you do to create a comment on each line of code in Excel VBA. If you don't want to comment out your code, take out the apostrophe. I'm going to get rid of the duplicate and sub routine statements. I'm going to edit my error handling. Which is on error resume next. You can see my first bit of code is MSGBOX, which stands for message box. So that's saying display the value within the brackets in the message box, which says SQR as a math formula for square root, and it's going to find the square root of 8. So to run this, I can either go into the worksheet or run it in here by clicking the green play icon and the VBA editor, or pressing the function F5 key. So I'm going to press play. And you can see the square root of 8 there is 2.82, or rounded 2.83. If you want to do the same thing in the Excel workbook, you'd go into it, click on the View tab, click on the Macros button in the Macro section, and run your formula there. You can see again the square root of 8 there is 2.83 rounded. That's it really. That's the Excel VBA square root function or formula in Excel 2013.